Hello, today I'll be showing a traditional recipe. My aunt Padmaja Mami will be showing me how to make this recipe. Take any kind of whole wheat, wash it thoroughly and dry it on a piece of cloth. It can be sun dried or it can be dried indoors too. Make sure it is fully dry and then slowly roast it on low flame, taking small quantity at a time. Roast it slowly until it turns golden brown. Do not rush this, have patience, it takes some time. Once it is done roasting, let it completely cool. Spread it on a plate like this and we can make the jaggery syrup in the meantime.